Hello, it's October again. So I have to tell you what I did last October. I was feeling super festive. So I found an abandoned house in a ghost town. So I decided to buy it sight unseen because that's what you do, right? Haunted, maybe, I don't know. I don't think so. Anyways, here we are. It is October again, so I've had it for about a year. And it took a while to get out here. Initially, I was living in North Carolina, back in New Mexico, and I just discovered something really cool, which is why I'm making the video, and I might do other updates. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so when I first got here, there was trash up to my waist. I'm pretty short, but that's still a lot of trash. Just a lot of stuff. There's still a lot of stuff here that I'm getting through. I had my family's help to get the really heavy stuff out, and then I've been working on ripping up the carpet, which was just laid. It wasn't installed. A lot of the stuff was DIY, and I'm gonna try to DIY it too, but hopefully I'll do a better job. And yeah, so this is what I've just discovered, and they did it really, really awkwardly. And it should be throughout the majority of the house. The house was built in 1947 by the government, and that is hardwood tongue and groove from the 40s. It just makes me so excited, right? What? So I'm gonna be working on it, might share more, might not. I'm gonna do what I feel. I'm not gonna be pressured into anything. I'm not gonna be pressured into anything. So yeah, I'm excited, looking forward to sharing more, maybe, when it's done. I don't know, we'll see.